Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone screen won't rotate. Lot of iPhone and iPad users has been reported that iPhone screen won't rotate or landscape mode. So how to fix this? Does your iPhone screen refuse to rotate whenever you tilt it horizontally or vice versa? Then please watch this full video to learn how it works. For the very first solution is turn off portrait orientation. Here as you can see, I am tilt the phone, then still screen won't rotate. So now simply turn off portrait orientation on your iPhone. To do this, first of all go to your home screen and here tap on portrait orientation and it will be turned off. And this will works. Now I am going to YouTube and here as you can see, whenever I tilt my phone, it will rotate screen. So this will work you to fix the solution. Now I will show you second solution. So sometimes lot of apps bug, so you can't do landscape mode. You just need to update the apps. To update the apps, first of all go to App Store on your device. And here tap on your profile. Then scrolling down and check the updates for all the applications. If the update is available, then update it all to the latest version. And it will work to fix the solution for your screen rotation. Now third solution is force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, first of all press volume up button, then press volume down button. Also press power on or off button at the same time. When Apple logo appears, then release all the button and it will restart your iPhone easily. I hope this video will helpful and if it is then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.